Hello, welcome back to Business Consultant. Today we have brought you another financial model. This one is Soccer Club Excel financial model. As you can see over here, um, it it includes the input sheet, revenue analysis sheet, market budget, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, CAC-CLV analysis, working sheet, and dashboard. If you see over here, it shows how to use it. This sheet. The peach cells indicate the input cells, whereas the gray cells tells you about the formula results in the input sheet, whereas the light gray fonts are helping cells. Coming towards the input sheet includes all the assumptions that are needed. For example, the funding assumptions, revenue and cost assumptions, customer and marketing budget assumptions, as well as the capex and opex assumptions. It also includes the working capital assumptions. Then comes the revenue analysis. The revenue analysis tells you about the revenue, and it also tells you about the customers, your new customers, the repeating customers, and total customers, which is based on monthly and yearly basis. As you can see over here, this goes up to 60 months or overall, right? Then comes the marketing budget. The marketing budget gives you the marketing cost or the advertisement cost through digital platforms. Coming towards the startup summary gives you the a brief on the first year of the company and tells you about the main costs, variable cost and fixed costs. It also tells you about the startup costs, and it also gives you the first year's balance sheet. That is, it gives you the total assets and total liabilities and equity. It also tells you about the total additional funds required for the uh, uh, required for the business in the first year. Then comes the financial statements. It includes, as you can see over here, it includes income statement, which gives you the net income of the business on yearly and monthly basis, going up to 60 months. Then comes the cash flow statement, which gives you the cash inflows and outflows of the business from its operations, investments, and financings. Then comes the balance sheet. The balance sheet gives you the total assets of the business in the next 4 years, as well as 5 years, as well as in yearly, annually basis, and monthly basis. It also gives you the total liabilities and total equities of the business. As you can see, it also gives you a balance check if they are balanced or not. Then comes the financial analysis. The financial analysis includes break-even analysis, which gives you the break-even sales of the business. Then comes the company valuation, where it gives you the WACC of the business as well as the expected equity percentage that can be offered to the investors. Then comes the sensitivity analysis. The sensitivity analysis uh, tells you about the payback period, IRR, and NPV of the business on basis of three different scenarios that are optimistic, pessimistic, and actual. Then comes the KPIs and ratios. The KPIs and ratios include all the ratios, major ratios, which helps the business in making financial decisions. This includes profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency ratios, and efficiency ratios. Then comes the CAC and CLV analysis. This gives you the customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value and compares them and gives you a ratio between them. Then comes the working sheet. The working sheet, as you can see over here, includes all the information, that is, all the calculations that are being used in the financial statement. These include employee payroll, operating expenses, depreciation schedule, loan schedule, and working capital. Then comes the dashboard. The dashboard over here, as you can see, gives you the graphs, which helps in making financial decisions as quickly as possible and as easily as possible. By using these graphs, the financial managers or financial uh, officers can give you a proper information about your business growth. That's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe us.